Hey guys, so today we're going to make a simple hematite stacked beaded earring. First we're going to start with a 30mm headpin. I'm going with silver this time. And then we're going to use 8mm by 3mm hematite disc beads in silver. And we're just going to put 3 of those on. And then I was looking for some color in these, and so I decided to go with these little 6mm. They're rainbow AB plated, electroplated hematite disc beads. They're really pretty. When they spin, they actually have a nice color to them. So I went ahead and did 3 of those on here. And they look really, really pretty, as you can kind of see. I'll get them up a little closer there. You can see the reflection of them. And then I figured I'd go with the color flow to lock in the rainbow. I added just one 4mm by 2mm hematite small disc bead also. So as you can see, just some really pretty color in there, but very simple, very basic. And then you just make a simple eye hole, which, as I've stated before, I struggle with these. I've done these my whole life, and I still do. So if you don't get them perfect, you'll learn with time, I guess. Some of us do, some of us don't. But there's just your basic little dangle charm right there. Very pretty, very cute, very simple. Then I've got a 5mm silver-plated brass jump ring. This one is an 20 gauge, 0.8mm. You'll find sometimes using the 18 gauge 1mm you'll struggle with because the thickness is just a little bit too much. So take your jump ring, put it into your eye pin. If I opened it high enough, there we go. And then this is just a simple 18mm hook bead coil earring, very common in the industry to make dangle earrings with. This is a silver plated brass, so you get a little bit more longevity and a lot brighter plating than on the iron earrings. So let me go ahead and get this on here. There we go. And then you just close that jump ring, flatten her out a little bit so you get a little bit flush. Flip her around, throw her on your finger there. And then, as you can see, just spin that around. And then I'll throw my cheat sheet one in so that you can see the pair. Very cute, very dangly. Very simple. There you go. Hematite disc bead dangle earrings.